Hey everyone, it's Pam Hubler again. I just wanted to show you an overview of Tweetdeck. Basically, this is just an easy way to use Twitter for Twitter chats because chats can be kind of hard to keep up with if you don't have a designated column for what you're trying to focus on. So I'm just going to show you a little bit about Tweetdeck if you want to try that option. All right, so you'll see over here on the left, I have this window open. If I click on this little feather, it will open up the box where I can tweet just like I would in Twitter. I can add an image. I can schedule a tweet. So if I can't be a part of a conversation, but I do want to schedule it for a certain time, I can do that. Or I can send a direct message, and that's kind of like I had said with our Twitter tutorial, and that would just be kind of like messaging, just a text, same kind of a thing, direct message through Twitter. You can see my profile here because I am signed in. Settings, accounts, you can have multiple accounts. You can add a column, or you can search the columns that you have open already. And this would be, I'm going to scroll over so you can see all of mine. First column is scheduled, and you can move these around. These are my messages. If I click on this little circle lines, I'm not even sure what that's called. I can move these around. So if I wanted to scoot that over to be first, I can click on that. But you'll see I have a home column, and this is moving constantly, and it just shows anyone that I'm following. So if you were using Twitter, this is what you would be seeing anyway. And the notifications, that's the one that has the bell. It's anything where I might be tagged, or I retweeted, or people following me. And if I keep on going, I have a column here for BCSD Innovates. So if I want to see everything going on at one time, from our district hashtag BCSD Innovates, you can just scroll through, check it out. You can also find people that I might not be following already. If I click on it, this is somebody in our school district, so I'm going to go ahead and click follow. Keep on going. I have a column for personalized SC. If you're looking for anything from our state department, I have a column there. Again, you can find new people to follow or just resources to check out. I have one for an ed camp that I'm going to be going to next weekend at this time, and a conference I'll be presenting at, one of the podcasts that I follow. So you can add just about anything. So let's say I'm going to search for, let's say, dash and dot, because I was working on that today. I want a column for dash and dot so I can see anything that has to do with dash and dot. You can see some videos. I can scroll through. I can find some ideas just by scrolling through. I can also find new people to follow. Brian Miller, he's the one that actually runs the company. So you get an idea. So I'm going to scroll back to where you can see home and notifications. And if I was going to send a tweet, all I would have to do is just type it in here. Great day. This is a hashtag I use all the time. And I would just click tweet once I'm ready, and it would show up just like it would on Twitter. So it's actually pretty easy, but it's much easier to follow a